And the metal case shows you how much charge you have for each earbud. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. Today I want to review the earbuds from VANKYO, the X200. And I got this for free from VANKYO. Sometimes I do get products for free, but if you see this video, it's because we've been using it for usually weeks before I post my review. So if you see the video, it's because we're happy with it. So look at the box here. Very nice packaging, by the way. Very simple. There's some details on the back here, but as I unbox and give you my review, I'm going to give you more details. But what's key here is that the case, as we will see, is metal. So if we open the box, this is white here. And look at that. This is what we have in the box. So well packed. And like I said, look at that. This is metal. This is a metal case. Look at this. Very nice. And there's a display in the front so you can see how much charge you have. And that's the impressive thing also, is that with the earbud, you can get up to 7 hours of music listening. And with the case, up to 120 hours. Yes, 120 hours of music listening. Look at that. And you see the display here in the front. They give you the charge. It's at 92% left and right. This is very nice. And what else do we have in the box? So in this little box, we probably have the USB cable, the charge cable. So let's see here. Yes, USB. It's a micro USB connection, as you can see here. And we have 3 sizes of silicone inserts. And that's it for this. And finally, at the bottom of the box, we have a little leaflet here, how to wear. This is the wireless user manual. And this is here, happy and unhappy, which is always good to have because you can contact the company if there is a problem. Before I talk about operations as per the manual, there is this little adapter that I missed in the box. And it is a micro USB to micro USB adapter. So you can actually use that with the cable provided to charge a device from the case, which is very cool. Like at the last minute or urgently, you can charge your phone if you have to using the case of your earbuds. So this is, like I said, is for wearing and pairing. Very simple. So you have to remember, when you open it, you wait for 3 seconds, and when one of the earbuds will flash out red, blue, then you can pair with your phone. And this is also soft touch, as we will see. So you tap volume up, you tap on the left side volume down, you tap to receive a call, you tap twice to pause and to play. And if you tap 3 times, you get Siri or Google Assistant. So this is also very interesting. So I'm going to open the case, leave it open here, as we can see on the side camera. They will flash eventually, this one here, blue and red. So now we're ready to pair. I'll just take my phone, open Bluetooth, pair new device, and right there, Alpha X200. As you can see, it found it within like not even 2 seconds. Click on that, pairing. Yes, pair. There you go. And it is connecting, and it is now active. So now we are in business. So let me just close this. I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to put the music in the video so you hear at the same time what I am hearing. And I'm going to use a piece of music that has a lot of bass, because to me, that's the problem with earbuds. They're so small that you miss a bit of the bass. So I have this video here, and I'm going to play that. There you go. It's playing now. Of course, it's an ad playing, so I'm going to take them outside, just like that. With my big finger, it's a bit difficult to take out. So I can hear the ads already. Look at that. Okay, video is playing now. I like those because they're not like, and I won't mention the brand, the white ones with the kind of the antenna coming down. I find that you look funny when you walk on the sidewalk or on the store, in a store, and then you see this little antenna. So I do prefer this cool design. And by the way, these ones are dark blue. They're not black. So I'm listening to the music, and you can hear it at the same time. Just making sure I have a good fit. Tap and hold. Yeah, the volume is going up. Tap and hold. Volume is going down. 2 taps, I got a pause. And you can hear the music. So I'm going to increase the volume a little bit. Oh, the bass is very strong. You're also very comfortable. You can see here, again, like I said, you don't have this crazy white antenna coming down. Wow. And this is the video, by the way, of a drone footage I did a couple of weeks ago. Wow. Good to stop the video, actually. There you go. Wow, very impressive. And for the Google Assistant, I don't have one. I have one upstairs. I'm not sure it will get here. So if I tap 3 times, hey Google, what time is it?
It's 11:35 a.m.
Wow, I know guys you cannot hear that, but there's a Google right there on the 2nd floor, and I got it. Like, hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in Nepean, there'll be showers with a forecasted high of 8 and a low of 4. Right now it's 7 degrees and cloudy.
Wow, it works perfectly. And then now if I go back to my video, yeah, it's playing. Wow, very, very impressed. And like I said at the beginning, we're going to use them for a couple of weeks before I post the video, just to make sure that they are working well. So guys, what is impressive, and it's hard to show on camera, is the build quality of the case. It takes 4 hours to charge this case with a standard 5-volt connector, a wall connector, and it's IPX8 also for sweat and water resistance. Let me just check my list, make sure I covered everything. Let me see here. Yes, it's all covered. So guys, Bluetooth 5.0, so faster connection and more stable connection also. Very, very impressive. And again, if you have any questions about these earbuds from VANKYO, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. So have a great day. Goodbye, guys.